Bro.
What's up, everyone? We're here in Murder Duos with my best friend, Big Man Flames.
Yes,
So we're gonna I think we're gonna 1v1 or 2v2.
it's 2v2.
Okay.
If we counter, if we counter a...
No, we got bacon hairs, no!
No, they're weak.
What?
Yeah, they're weak. But, one of them are computer. Computers are,
Very sweats.
yeah. They are good. Bro.
You don't know what is my loadout. Oh, stop it.
Wow, mas Cooper.
Go on. Ay,
Bro, ay die.
No. I'm gonna lock in. Read your chat.
Bro, ang laggy, bro. Bro, ang lagging. Oh, yeah.
Dude, where are you?
Bro, I kill one.
They hit me in the balls!
Huh? How?
They hit me in the balls! Wait lang, can you see my giat?
Yeah.
Come on.
Ay, bad. Oh.
Oh, my headshot!
It's too laggy, bro. It's too laggy.
I'm lagging!
Bro, I'm lagging.
Oh, headshot! I killed one of them. Oh, almost.
Bro. Bro, may marka na.
Oh!
Get for that.
I got 2 kills at the same time, which is crazy. Yeah.
I'm not sure what that. I can post a video.
Hello? Ayos ka, pre. Oh, headshot! Oh, that's so close.
Scope. Let's go, man. Let's go.
I'm gonna lock in. Oh, no.
Bro.
No.
They're not happy, by the way.
They're not hacking?
No.
We killed one of them. Now, he disconnected.
Hurry. There.
Oh, he disconnected.
Yeah, just
And why? I'm very smart. No, come on.
We have the win.
We have the win. We need to lock in. No. Woo! We got it! Ah! Let's go! No! MVP. No, you said the N-word. And I'm right, guys. So if you if you hear Big Blind Flame sing the N-word, it means best friend.
What, bro? My game is my game is glitch. Look at this.
No.
Bro, my game is glitch.
Look, guys.
You're glitch.
No.
Now we're glitch out.
No, we see the bullets. Dude, I haven't buy anything.
Look, may guns are ano. Or
What should I buy? Rapid reload or explosive knife?
Oh, wait. Rapid reload. If you rapid reload, it will make your reload.
But I don't have enough money, so I'm just gonna go with. Hey, yo, chill!
NFP and Sky and a default tapos may doon sa Heartbreaker the Smooch again and a
Dude, you should
Panama
chill.
USA Watermelon and a Common another called
Common?
not
Uncommon.
uncommon but bro the rest
Dude, I have all the regulars.
Smooch soft looks dark intense wait leaves it burn.
No way, bro.
Yeah.
Megalodon bundle, eh.
Bro, I need to get the Inferno. What's this?
I'm gonna.
Bro, the 3-day pass.
Dude, I'm in the this guy. I'm in the what you call it?
Then the trade, bro.
No, I'm in the training room. I'm going to set my newest ability. Oh, it's like a bomb.
Yeah.
Oh, I killed almost everybody. Every new. So I'm just gonna do a ricochet again. I killed it.
Don't you see my knife, bro? Look at my knife.
Keeper, look at my back. Do you see my yacht? You pervert. So that's it, guys. Since I am a verified YouTuber and I can go past 15 minutes unlike Kiefer, so this is the end, I think.
Huh? We're gonna play on again.
Yes. So bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Yeah!